young for yeah. Who will come and go? Akalarewa, Yawani Mosi, oh, yeah, Pomen, oh, they can do you. Akalarewa, Yawani Mosi, oh, yeah, Pomen, oh, they can do you. Oh, yeah, Pomani, Maso, they can do you. They can do you. Oh, every time I go, they can do you. Late, madam, I tell you one of your books, Noro America. Prophet, Atiti, I went into you one. This don't yak back your weird man. I walk here, Yahoo. I want to tell you, the entire upper you will. Let Madame Abia, look at you, no Aro America. I can't let you one in Mossy. Oh, yeah, Bob and all over. They can do you. I got you. I get that back your girl. They can do you. No.
When I jam you, I greet the house. It does set a girl. Matafu grado.
Prophet, Antiti, a woman, a young
Matafu grand.
Zavesi, no, you talk, the Paria.
Matafu grand.
You young Macada, you got it. A yaga fear, a lot of Pamania, Barry, where? Okay, let Madame, I be one of you. Akalarewa, Yawani Mosi, oh, yeah, Pomen, they can do you.
Wadi, I'm here you are, Wadi, where you they go? Where you they go?
I'm not tired now. Who will be done and pay? Okay, I have you. Let Madame.
I'm here you are. Wadi, hey.
Who will be done and pay? Let Madame. I'm here you are.
Share the video as you are coming. It's about to go down. All my lovers around the world, that God will bless you now. Oh! Echo better, don't go back to go to. Echo better to, don't go back to goat to swear. Father General say he want leave idahosa space for us. Asaboro say now she deactivate page. She want leave idahosa space for us. Echo better, don't go back to goat. One go swear tomorrow. And one of our Edo sister don't cry come and say her daughter they miss for Edo State. Matter full everywhere. Where we want to start. Oh! Frank Omozuo, and Mama Kevi, the late Mrs. Abioyiwa, Frank Iyobo, Osayemere, the one lady, what they call Lady Abioyiwa of New Jersey for America. The scammer money, blackmailer with her nakedness. They make sure say the buyer, Mama Kevi with the husband. From Victor Iyobo, Osayemere, A.K. Frank Omozuo, Matafu Grammar people.
Prophet, Atiti.
Oh, Atiti, Ekenururi Aje, Evnakwa Maweo. Matafu Grando. Yeah. Okay, all right, let's go. All my lovers around the world, all good Edo people around the world. Now, no say, it get matter what they hang on. Since how many days now? Now, they hear me so? My lovers, now, no say, it get matter what would they iron? Since how many days now? Now, they feel me? Are you guys there? Please, if you are there, let me see you. Say hi, please. I don't see anybody. Please, if you are here with me, say hi. Let's go down to this segment. Let's go down to today's segment. Please, if you are here with me, say hi. You are ready. Let's go. Please, if you are ready, say hi. Let me see if my people don't come. Please, if not don't reach them, let me know. If you guys are here, let me know. Yeah, if you are here, let me know. I know they see comments. Okay, I see Mama Adiza, you are welcome. That's my special lady, Mama Adiza International. Vanessa Campbell, say hello. They are not hearing me. Vanessa Mestri, say hello. They are not hearing me. So please, if you are just coming, share the broadcast, turn this video up as it's about to go down. Now they hear me so. We need to collect the way it be. We need to carry Edo people along. Waiting the happen for Edo Sabah space. If we not carry people along, it can't be like say we don't know what they do again. So our own are to carry Edo people along, so that maybe they see waiting they happen for Edo Sabah space. Una dey hear me so? Father General want to run. Father General, you want to run away from Edo cyberspace and go ahead and be using fake account. Egba. Iwegba. Eko bete. Don't go back to goats. He want go swear. Asaboro. Say na she by herself deactivate her own account. She want leave Edo cyberspace. Matter full everywhere. One of our sister don't cry come out now say her daughter they miss for Benin. We don't know where we want for start. Everybody here they look me yagba. Where we want for start, my people. All my lovers around the world, where we want for start, please, wanna let me know where we want for start. Where we want for start. Where we want for start. I'm making a case when what am I case when matter full grand. Vake swen yedo. You people should tell me vake swen. Because as I'm telling you now, 2 goats is going straight to Obo. Obo niredo yariye wegbe teme yariye wegbe. Obo niredo wariye wegbe. Mokuna don't forget say our king Omonoba. He say make una dey ask for people for una go dey swear nowadays though. Before you go swear, make sure say you confirm for the other person hand. I never know till they happen now. Hey, before we'll start, may I quick play this house arrest. No, what house arrest. May I quick play the message we are both sent for her. Where be say come out on the saga of Bo. May I quick play that one for now. Muna see what they play for Benin now. Make una see waiting they play for Benin now. In case if you want to go swear, there is a law that came from the palace to all the native daughter in Benin. That before you swear, you hear me so? That before you swear to anybody in Benin, you have to hear from the both sides. Hello, am I talking to somebody? Oh, I'm Sakbo. Hello, am I talking to somebody? Please, if you are here, say hi. You only have. I want to carry people along. I want me to carry my dope people along. Now they hear me so. Don Prince want to carry a dope people along, so that make them they see wetin they happen for Edo cyberspace. So may I quick show now the message where they send for us arrest. When are they listening?
The name stated below. You
listen. This is us arrest. They send out juju paper.
You, Ese Edopayi, have been duly summoned to this Iran. The name stated below, Mama Justice, she came as she had wanted to curse, to swear, to curse. But among warners that we shouldn't be putting up swear on people, curse like that on people without hearing from them. Hence, I served you. I have served you to report on the 7th, coming Wednesday of this month, either in person or you send a representative. Either you come in person or you send somebody to represent you. You have to come. And you have to come. And come unfailingly.
I bet today I'm waiting.
You, Ese Edopayi, have been duly summoned to this Iran. The name second below, Mama Justice, she came and she had wanted to curse, to swear, to curse. But among warners that we shouldn't be putting up swear on people, curse like that on people without hearing from them. Hence, I served you. I have served you to report on the 7th, coming Wednesday of this month. Either in person or you send a representative. Either you come in person or you send somebody to represent you. You have to come. And you have to come. And come unfailingly.
This one won't let go.
Una see say Matado meet as arrest now because why? They follow Moswo. Anybody where they follow Moswo, you must learn how to lie. And not be everybody go pull life for a body where be say he go take her. That is why me Don Priest is very interested in social media president Gold, his wife Gold. Because if you see now say social media president Eddie Murphy and his wife, they don't they summon Melissa, Mama Melissa for a very long time to call answer Juju, the woman not great answer. But God's power, come on, go they swear. He go they swear for your innocent, but he not mention Mama Melissa name. Mama Melissa now never swear one Juju or may go now go call say that they pull life for her head. Mama Melissa they run up and down. The fair blogger where you want Epa or the fair blogger where you want go pay money where you go cover it. The what I want call Mama Melissa. If you like, you say people, may they give me 100,000. Maybe Don Priest rest on that matter. I no go rest. You dey hear me so? If you like, you go there. The money not be my problem. I don't need your money. You hear me so? All what I need is justice. Bring back the Murphy wife Gold. You dey hear me so? Bring back the Murphy wife Gold. If una like, una pack all the people because they call me, they fail me, say, man, I will never rest too. And they tell you now, Mama Melissa, your matter, they one side. Mona Sharon go give her. You see what did they happen now? They don't they call you now for Juju. If you know if you come, say person to go represent, to clear your name from all this nonsense. If to say Mama Melissa, they carry Juju since they go they swear. The way God's power and in Mama they go swear. I believe say this matter for don't go on that measure. I be able to take the measure. But Mama Melissa keep running. She keep running. She keep running. Now the year what they talk, my lovers, Edo people, are you guys there? So the problem we have now is Mama Melissa should come out and go and swear if she's an innocent of the accusation they have been alleged to her. So Mama Melissa, you have to go and swear. So now, for Benin now, if you want to go swear, they'll call the both sides, ask question. And so that they do. I say all those fake native daughter. That is why I first paid my house, but I still swear. Go give they call this useless ele de talk show. I am bogbe. So that one call on in a bolo for. So I also say I play this one for now. Wanna see what did they happen now for Edo case if you want to go swear for person. The new law in Edo State. They know they tell you now. Now make me Don Prince. I go the open now they give you now. But now they see the new law from the palace to all the native daughter where they been. Listen to the new law.
I have served you to report on the 7th. You have to come. And you have to come. And come unfailingly.
I bet today I'm waiting.
Yo, I say a doctor have been duly summoned to this Iran. The name second below, Mama Justice, she came and she had wanted to curse, to swear, to curse. But among mourners that we shouldn't be putting up swear on people, curse like that on people without hearing.
Now hear what they talk. Among mourners, when I list the way, that's another year way.
From them. Hence I served you.
When I list it.
To this Iran. The name second below, Mama Justice, she came and she had wanted to curse.
Share the video.
To swear, to curse. But among mourners that we shouldn't be putting up swear on people, curse like that on people without hearing from them. Hence I served you. I have served you to report on the 7th.
Echo better. Mona Sharon give her now. Me no go swear kabi esi all those kabi olo swear. Echo better. Now because of you I come out now. Go the year now say new law now. You have to call Asaboro before you swear. Anybody who you want swear for, you have to call them so that they'll still talk about their innocent. You know if you go brab or book they swear again now. You know this not be the time when they tell the brab or both they swear. Because they arrest many or both for Bini. They arrest many or both for Bini. Hello, they are not hearing me. Hello, they are not hearing me. They arrest many or both now for Bini. So I come better. The obo when want to go swear, so make sure say people know your address. So. Make sure say they know the obo address. So. Not go swear kurukere obo way, they not go know the address. Mona share this video, make it reach Gwagwaladia for UK. For UK. Not be sumamba tao. Waga video na, not make it na say Gwagwaladia for UK. We are about to zaza Gwagwaladia right now. Gwagwaladia, we are about to zaza Gwagwaladia. So now don't hear now. Waiting the new law. Now don't hear.
Second below, Mama Justice, she came and she had wanted to curse, to swear, to curse. But among mourners that we shouldn't be putting up swear on people, curse like that on people without hearing from them.
Correct.
Hence I served you.
Correct.
I have served you to report on the 7th. Coming Wednesday of this month. Either in person or you send a representative.
Okay.
Either you come in person or you send somebody to represent you.
Correct.
You have to come. And
so, una don't hear now the new law. So, as we dey go for inside social media, we can't see and say, echo better now. Don't go back too good. My show na the too good. My quick show na the too good. I know they see comment. Also, no. Why? In my quick comment, I'm not they see comment. Somebody say, now you can't dey fight for Eddie wife. Enogi, now wow, see life. Oga, remove yourself from swear matter. Oh. Wait till you dey talk. I know you're to say, now you can't dey fight for Eddie Murphy wife. Enogi, now wow, see life. What did that one mean? I cannot get right to fight for Eddie Murphy wife. I not get right to fight for Epa Eddie Murphy. What did that one mean? The packet good. She come out, say the packet good. So me will not talk, put. Not be a dosa bad space with day. Justice for one, justice for all. Justice for one, justice for all. Now they hear me so. So, now I know say my name don't work follow that good matter. They no carry Melissa name. Mama Melissa go Bini go sue. Say Mama Melissa go up away. Ya marry ni yo. Abiye gospel wa. Ni here who say. You know they carry my name. They follow Bini up and down. They go. They come on Mama Melissa name. Mama Melissa, where they accuse of gold, they come out her name. They go, they do Joro swear. Or mother put new law now because Joro swear too many. Now maybe don't please. Uno memo adiagbo. Uno ma emo adiagbo. See, swear that swear, where they go swear mumu swear for Bini, they don't change law. Obo where they go swear, they don't hear from me. All the obo where Mama Melissa carry, I say Mama God's power carry my name go for Bini, they don't hear from me. They only collected money for Mama God's power. I be swearing for Mama God's power children. They don't hear from me. So they don't ban down now say, if you want to swear for person, make sure say you hear from that person. They say that person not pick call. If they call and not pick, they have right to damage down with swear. Like the way they want to do a so they say touch show will be as arrest. Better juju, now they want to take weapon now. Because now evil get, we not get sense. No zoa. We say about disgrace with your arrest. A godfather get oh in a zoa le do sa space. A temptation all the liens here. Like godfather, like goddaughter. That's also juju they enter their ass. That is why they persuade Mama God's power to go and lay curse on his children. That one only not bolo for. Only not bolo for. Why video now? Why tons the video now? I know they see love and like. Please, if you are watching me, help me with love and like so that I may Facebook for fish share this video where I want make it circulate. May everybody see what did happen for a dosaba space. Now I beg me and also a dosaba space. We are here to the show now the evil whether they constitute for a dosaba space. See a kobete. It don't go back good. My show now. When I say a couple, they don't go back good. Well, my bag, it don't go back good. Okay, let's go to the message of the day. Let's go to the message of the day. Like godfather, like goddaughter. Correct. Let's go to the message of the day. So, my lovers, let's start from Father General. Father General now don't reply. Now say, he say goodbye to Edo Sabbath space. Enough is enough. Love you all. Still me, brethren, I don't know. When I see the reply where Father General reply, he says he's living a Dosaba space. So allegedly, people were accusing Father General, saying that he be the person where Asaboro they talk to. The Infinity Saga where Asaboro they talk, we are still investigating. Asaboro say now she deactivate her page that she is living a Dosaba space. Why it can't be say now the same time Father General and Asaboro want to live a Dosaba space. The same time, the same unit, the same kilometer. Hello, una de hear me at all? They're not the hear. Why is it that is the same time Father General and our sister Asaboro want to leave a Dosaba space for us? Is there no something playing? Or now we they change the matter? I never understand. Because the matter, they clear where. Una dey hear me so? So the matter is it want to start to be complicated. Whether they fool us or now we they fool there, we not gonna know. Now, echo better now, one go swear. If wetin Asaboro they talk, na truth. So now, how we want to talk for this issue now? Who be the man where Asaboro say echo better they follow and drag? My people, are you guys still with me? Asaboro cry come and say, Eko Betutu, aka Monica, Atuari, Oviedo Polo, Noro UK, Oe Gwagwaladia. Asaboro cry come and say, Monica, aka Eko Betutu, they follow and they drag man for UK. My lovers, una dey there? Are you guys hearing me? He say, Monica, they follow her, they drag man for UK. So now, with the Edo cyberspace or Kagbe, our work is to fight justice for each and every one in Edo cyberspace. Justice, we shall continue to fight for each and every one that is passing through menace in Edo cyberspace. So our work not to fight for people where be say they not get platform where they oppress. They oppress us. Where they look their says now that they oppress people. Our own are to jam them. So we will speak for them. Even though say they still get paid. And still the middle, we fit still help them. So now, Asaboro, you carry matter come out. We never finish matter, you deactivate your page. How you say about settle this issue? Now, Eko better. Don't go back to goats. You want to go swear juju. As I'm telling you now, 2 goats is going to Ojuju hand. You now don't deactivate your page. I will want to talk this issue now. You don't carry matter, you put for ground. Now, you dey come up for do cyberspace. If you do wagwa, you matter na. Because the matter, me not go understand. Father General, we're supposed to give us updates. Whether you know why, you don't know too. Himself, want come up for do cyberspace. Hey, why yagwale wata eh? Iviedo, why yagwale wata eh na? Where will they go? I don't know. Where will they come? I don't know. I want to defend the truth of this issue now. Because the complainant said he wants to leave a cyberspace. He has deactivated a page. Now, with the Edo cyberspace, went to go and look for the accuser, am I going to put the ingestion. Now, the time that we're supposed to hear the truth now. Asaboro is living a cyberspace. Father General is living a cyberspace. Ekobete is going straight to Obo to go and swear. Now, What are we going to do now, Edo people? What could not talk for this issue? Before me go come talk. I want to hear from you guys. Please comment, let me hear. Iyobosa talk show. Iyobosa talk show say Asaboro said she will be back on Saturday this weekend. Hey, Asapetete. Hey, Baba. Hey, Yali. Asaboro said she will be back to Edo Saba space on Saturday this weekend. Now, so Iyobosa talk show talk here. Now, no Iyobosa talk show now. Princess Go say, Don Priest, good evening. Good evening, my love. God bless you. Venetia say, Asaboro need to go and apologize to Monica. Agwa Katana Venetia na gangi Monica no. Ikata ya fagbiawa. Ya fagbiawa. Venetia fagboa. Eko bete weji Venetia. Venetia mestri. Ekape go bete weji ya. Venetia mestri. Astra, I see you. Venetia mestri. Please don't go and be in a Kobete camp. Asaboro, you get Monica Kpekus and you refuse to post it. Asaboro. So, my people, as I was saying, now, this matter now, not the pass another issue. As I'm telling you now, 2 goats, they are boas now, they don't reach there. They don't tire for corner. Or both of the, they don't they say, Agbeva. Hello, boy. This is the play for those about space. Iron Thunder. That's my G. I greet you, my lady. See, my lovers. This matter, now they understand me, so forget how they talk with joke. I just the I want my carry on a long way. Mama Osasu say Asaboro say go come Saturday. Come give us update. Our truth is that. He say go come on Saturday, come give us update. So I believe say before Saturday, maybe Juju don't come out. Before on Saturday, maybe Juju will don't come out. Because Juju will come better one go swear now say, he know they follow Asabolo drag any man. Now that Juju will come better one go swear now. So maybe if a come better don't swear the Juju, Asaboro fi come expose everything come out. We are still watching. Hello, they are not hearing me. We are still watching. Hello, they are not hearing me. We are still watching. So my thought now is, maybe if a Ekobete don't swear, maybe today, tomorrow, go reach next tomorrow, we go see the Jujus where Ekobete will go swear. Now they hear me so. If they hear me so, he say you need Ekobete, not go by wells. Eh? If they hear me so. So now, with the reason I say if Ekobete don't go swear tomorrow, on Saturday, the way my master to talk, maybe Asaboro will not come live, come update us. Because we are going to see the end of this matter. We are going to see the end of this matter. Now they hear me so? We are going to see the end of this matter. Una dey with me? We are going to see the end of this issue. So, Asaboro, please. They say you will come out on Saturday. Deactivating your page, me not buying. You don't dare those about space for many years. You never deactivate your page. Your family, they don't see you say those about space for years. You not deactivate your page. Now you can't bring one tangible issue come out now. Where people don't want to support you now. Now you can't deactivate your page. Now you can't know say people they call you, they tag you. You can't deactivate your page. So now we don't know where to go. Now, Father General, now we're supposed to help us tell us now, say, this matter no concern me. I don't know Asaboro. Then they pull out for my head. For Father General to come out to address the public, he's telling us he want to leave a Dosaba space. Enough is enough. That one I address. Oh, the Father General be kwekwa. No more na here. Father General. Omen we be kwekun we more na here. Omen we be kwekwa. Asaboro say make she go swear she will be on live video this weekend to come and update the audience. Ri odogu odeshi. We wagie, we ben we aita. Odogu odeshi. You don't know what to say again. The matter is confusing a little bit, man. We have to tell the truth. Because somebody like Asaboro carry case, go give lawyer. The lawyer self, he go even tire for that case. If Asaboro carry case, go give lawyer. If that lawyer not take time, he go run, leave that case. My people, that they hear me so. If Asaboro carry case, give lawyer. Prayer where we go pray, make that lawyer no run, leave case. Leave Asaboro, say, Asaboro, continue your case by yourself. Truth is very bitter. Truth is very bitter. Truth is very bitter. You cannot come out to accuse somebody of dragging a man with you, and you knew that we in a Dosaba space, we don't hear that kind of thing and not analyze it. Because a co better, we dey look for trailer, we walk put inside, now move ija. Agwalele level truck in Okwa. Now I'm a co betutu. I move you way, I will if you wija. Now you bring a news that a co-better is dragging a man with you, that you are a single, that a co-better should leave the man for you, that those cyberspace people should help you beg a co-better to leave that man for you, that you are a single, that a co-better have kuli inside his room, that he should face kuli. You said a co-better should face kuli. So we the Edo cyberspace taking upon ourselves that if a co-better not leave the man for you, we will post it for their eye. After giving all the case, you kept mute and deactivate your page. Mabewe eruni mahiana Edo cyberspace na we ni mama na egbi maun. Prayer when we go pray for those Sabbath space, say, waiting we don't know, make it not by us. Hello? They are not hearing me. Hello? Am I talking to somebody? Matade. Matade. Say, don't please not go by me with that phone. Not be lie, they talk now. Odogu Odeshi. Oh, remeta. Oh, lie. Eh? Starling start that vibe. Wait, they are not hearing me. Not be lie. Iron Thunder say, she for just stay Italy. She for don't get husband. Because all her friends, when I know, don't marry and born. Hey, Iron Thunder, we go for her. Iron Thunder say, Asaboro for remain in Italy and marry there and born. That many of her friends that she know with Asaboro have married in Italy and have child. That one, Iron Thunder talk that one. Venetia say a whole grown up woman acting like a child. Clear the table. Say na him they talk to Don Prince. Who they talk to Don Prince? Tamame. Who they talk to Don Prince? Tamame. Who they talk to Don Prince? I want the hear. I want the confirm. I want the confirm. Because this matter, it can't be complicated to me. I get many issues to do. One woman now come cry, say, her daughter, they miss. I never even shown her the daughter. Make her show her the daughter where they miss. That one will come start that matter. Make I show her the daughter of the woman where they miss for Benin now. The missy daughter in Benin. Make it not be say now one. When I see the girl, this girl is missing right now in Edo State. Her face not show where. When I see her face where, this girl is missing in Edo State right now. When I bring a picture, come at where. When I see her face, this girl is missing in Edo State. If mama say for the past 1 year, he not see her again. If mama say she buy her phone. If mama dey Europe, yeah, the girl dey Nigeria. If mama say he buy this girl phone, she swear he buy the girl phone, she can't dey over the do. Now they collect the phone for her hand. She swear they take collect phone for her hand. Now so they see this girl reach. For the past 1 year, now it's going to 2 years. They not hear from her again. They don't know where she did. Please, if now any boy put this girl for us, please call Don Prince right now. If now any boy put this girl for us, call Don Prince right now. It's about to go down. You tell what I start this topic. Omo, if na ma put her for us, if they don't use that do rituals, if they don't kidnap her, anyhow, we want to find this girl. My country people, Matadeu. My country people, Matadeu. This not the girl. My country people, Matadeu. We have to help each other in this life. Oh, this is not the girl. I see small girl, you never reach up to 18. Whether they do the bogan now, we never know. Now sure they do the bogan. Your mama say not trust the girl. He say if he do the chop. The girl mama say this girl if he do the chop. He say not trust her. What I say? Mona look away. If mama say if he not the chop. Now sure this one not the chop. I show you gwolo na ene I do. They don't they chop this one. So we'll settle that call do this girl video. And I'll tell her the name and everything. So my lovers around the world, I believe say when they see the update what they give you now. Please, if anybody that have seen that girl, wanna let me know. If I know so I know the girl, please write it in the comment section or inbox me. If you know say you know this girl where I bring come out, so please inbox me. I beg. Now beg I did. So on in that bolo for. So now better. Better. They say you are going to Ojuju to swear. Eko bete wa be gbere dia. Eko bete wo sunu na.
Do you need anybody to tell you
Una
that
say
I
Eko
am a
bete.
living testimony? DJ, let me, I don't tell it back. Tell me, Jehovah, I am the I am the
Better. Hey baba.
A man must give me tip. That's if God has been good to you this year. Do you need anybody to tell you that I am a living testimony? DJ, play me, I don't tell it back. Tell me, Jehovah, I am the I am the A man must give me tip. That's if God has been good to you this year. Do you need anybody to tell you that I am a living testimony? DJ, play me, I don't tell it back. Tell me, Jehovah, I am the I am the A man must give me tip. That's if God has been good to you this year. Do you need anybody to tell you that I am a living testimony?
Eko bete. You dey use this guy Davido logistic they call this boy. Davido logistic they call this what boy now? Where they follow Davido. The woman where the fade wife where fuck up. The fade woman where fuck up. Where they follow his BMW the waka. Where be say God give her better husband. He use mumu and pride. Take true win. So the thing where that one talk, now you take the dance pursue. Is a shame. Is a shame. They accuse you now. You don't go run back to two goats. Let's see what is going to happen with that two goats. We never get too many things to talk. For now, we don't drag Father General come out. Now, Asaboro say, as we are talking, he say not be Father General. Yesterday, now Asaboro talk for yesterday Asaboro talk for I bring her come out.
DJ.
Asaboro talk for a TT platform yesterday.
choose me. Why are you people now on the way? You people should allow me and the man do our thing. He said no. They will not allow that. That is where this whole problem comes in. According to Asaboro, she forwarded the details to Ekobete. Ekobete now living in fear and bondage. If you watch a video, you will see the body language.
Now Lolo the talk so Lolo.
You know,
now Lolo. Lolo
Guana.
My lovers. Now Lolo the talk so organic Lolo. When I list the way.
Excuse me. Why are you people now on the way? You people should allow me and the man do our thing. He said no. They will not allow that. That is where this whole problem comes in. According to Asaboro, she forwarded the details to Ekobete. Ekobete now living in fear and bondage. If you watch a video, you will see the body language and everything. You know, it's all there. Unrepentant devil will not tell you, oh, I don't repent, I don't want to talk again. And you will believe. Bruce confirmed that they sent the purpose to Ekobete. She has seen it. But now, because they have succeeded in whining at Asaboro, now they are showing shoulder to Asaboro now that they are going to bring juju. I don't like me.
Now the year matter. When I hear where.
Choose me.
Matter
people now on the way. You people should allow me and the man do our thing. He said no. They will not allow that. That is where this whole problem comes in. According to Asaboro, she forwarded the details to Ekobete. Ekobete now living in fear and bondage. If you watch a video, you will see the body language and everything. You know, it's all there. Unrepentant devil will not tell you, oh, I don't repent, I don't want to talk again. And you will believe. Bruce confirmed the purpose to Ekobete. She has seen it. But now, because they have succeeded in whining at Asaboro, now they are showing shoulder to Asaboro now that they are going to bring juju.
When I hear it talk, he say Bruce Ajala don't see the Ekobete tutu with the heads. They never release and wait for us, Musian. Lolo say they don't send Monica Toto go give them for what's up. Bruce don't confirm her. Bruce don't hide. Kuli, they say don't hide. Matadeo. We'll go forward. Okay, let's listen to Asaboro.
What it is when I hear boy, what it is again? Okay, what?
My place Asaboro with it.
Nick Bonanwe.
When I listen to Asaboro.
Monica, proof. When we not see any.
Because Asaboro called for ATT platform yesterday.
Free me. Now to tell you they not go let you take free yourself.
Now Toto matter with you. We see the fair Monica Toto. Monica Toto.
Monica free me. Yeah, Toto me myself we have black me was free away. If we are get go back away, we to me iye kubago, iye kuba by then to iye kuba forever. Yeah, kuba. Hey, baba me. Baba me yo. Now me be Monica. You go get my Toto, I'll still beat you. Yeah, I will sleep.
Monica say, even though say the Toto come out, you go see beat people journal because a muscle don't fit do one. When a muscle bola come out, it still beat people journal. So in case if he come out now, Mona poor any moment from now, Monica Toto will bust out for those about space. Any moment from now, Mona poor it down because he's about to bust now. After this juju, many things we play. After this juju, echo better. Swear this juju, not go turn this goat to say you want to go dash people. Because the comment when you put for this goat say which place he head, this goat they go. So not go change out because after this swear, maybe they say Asaboro they come back with full force. So I believe say Asaboro full force, evidence go follow this one. Because Asaboro come, evidence not there again. I believe say many people go verse to Asaboro. If there is no evidence again, only Matt Asaboro when you come to talk, say you not bring any evidence. I believe say people go verse to Asaboro. So now, Monica now they try to cover up the case if na see Bekus, he will still come and do saga. Because the last time I checked, my mama use and make parable, my papa use and make parable say, Chris Percy, not the shame. Oh man, if we when I listen to Asaboro.
Then I will collect your 5 million. I will beat you. My daughter will do this. You will do like this. Bring my daughter come out. Give me a Toto, you cannot break hands. Ogame, I be hearing. That's too much.
Niku money.
Free me. Then the Toto content with you,
Oh.
Then the Toto content with you, and I will still the
Yeah, but it's a time you have no one. I don't want to. You tell me, a week, you won't get out. A week, you have to get out. Ọwọ́ egwuma yẹ bọ̀ ìmọ̀ gbogbo àlẹ́ proof lọ́gọ́ ọdún ní wọ́n dá ní owó egwuma.
Ọmọ ẹni mi o. Na mi bi Monica, you go get my tutu house. Ọkàn náà my tutu.
Wọ́n owó gẹ́jọ̀ tuntun ní ìyá àgbẹ̀ àbífínì tí sáadà. Ní ìyá àgbẹ̀ tuntun ní èmi yá sáadà yàn.
Bring my tutu come out. Ìyá Toto, you cannot break hands.
Iye bọ̀ ìmọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ nìkan ẹ̀. Ó náà tó ń ná Asaboro owó dọ̀ mí gbóná á lè dé Monica gbé ẹ sọ. Gbóná ìyá ń ná Asaboro dọ̀ mí gbóná á lè dé Monica gbé ẹ sọ. N ta di ẹ̀fọ́ lé, wà gbọ́n ẹ̀ pẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ṣọ́.
Where Asaboro for talk?
Yàtọ̀ lè mí wò. Wà gbọ́n yà fídíò náà. Wọ́n yìí bọ̀ yìí Monica gbogbo wọn. Á ṣe tí ènìyàn nílẹ̀ dẹ́nu.
Wait to may I play Asaboro where Asaboro for call.
Okay. Okay.
When are the list you? Yari oh, they don't come.
General, you will hear me.
When are listing?
Because I was there where I was talking on a day. Yes, this is Father General on Infinity. Infinity to be sincere, but I am Infinity. But then I want to show Muswan, then about to go to Father General.
Okay.
Wow.
Father General, you will hear me and hear me well. Menasaboro Kwana. A party is a manager when you're bad. On actually, I will laugh it too. And then you have to minutes. I know in Canada, we have to on a two papa, if there are Benjamin Ataze, or maybe get a young Pitoni. The Angelin Itanari. A monically put a little Italian bag. No, that's why, yeah, a pass of the Asaboro. I go for the general, Father General, Father General, where's the Nancy and we are quick. They know they are Cassava. The money kind for the general Baka, we are J. But why we finish about to salute poor by you a year to me. As well as one is because he go up where we are so. He said,
Una de ye?
Oh man.
Asaboro we no bowa the father general. But the Infinity Saga no we woni no boy doni but the bowa the father general. Va e question me ano we va agbe father general bana. Iye do wa no mota. Va agbe father general bana. So that na make a nine. All supporting a bully where. Una so that make a nine na agbe father general ba. Because na maybe Don Prince. Iga we mi oke kenye ni u. Eba na ye we mi ozu ove do saba space. Iga we mi oke kenye ni u. So the question I'm asking, when I can bog be father general yo, si se na gwalo hia mamioni, si se onari demu de kun na agbe hia. So the question me no we na Asaboro, you have to reply. Va agbe bana no nu wewe e monika we drag. Amamioni gbe. We marry evidence here because you are still in love with that one. Now, Mona listen well. Mona fair listing.
about to salute poor by you a year to me. As well as one is because he go up where we are so. He said,
Oh man. Oh man.
So, if you don't say you not respect that man, take it in your money, move over from back from your safe and make it out. Easy man, no man, they got that sales to go from France. I call you when you love, they will love.
Asaboro, we egbe we nu lawa, having your we nu lawa. For the years, nukere social media, yama we nu lawa. Or is a case a numula janane, ana we nu lawa. I bet you beg we the case ma clear. Or say na we nu lawa. Or there is something wrong. Iya beg we case numure na ma clear. Or say na we nu lawa. Because you have been in this Dosaba space for a very long time. Ima wonu lawa. Or is a great case now, and now we will lawa. You have to put it wa mu case re. Umwere. Ameke na na ya gwayo e. We ti do mu case re. Ado agbere Asaboro. Una the listing.
Easy man, no man, they got that sales to go from France. I call you when you love, they will love. Imagine for now, say because Oku are there, Alewa, or say, okay. Or one of done it director, when I need that over, me and it body, me cake at the out, Aleva Seva, or I need that body, okay, right, eat or I'll tell you by it because you back. Or I'll tell you, Nijo, you be so cool. Oh, yes, say, or Mona, you can't do it. Don't know what to move. I have given Keke is a dear woman. We don't try, we don't live any way in those days. And we go, you know.
Oh man. Oh man. Yeah. You follow what game but no mental discalabati. I don't want to proof. He get a mirror, or belera, back. I want me. El bolere kiriya. Fente. El bolere kiriya yo. I think zawa.
My people, I bet when they follow up with Asaboro they talk, when they listen well. Now they hear me so, that they try to flag my video, but now me out there. Now they hear me so, now no those their echo better gang go past them. So now, if they hear me so, now, when are they listing first? When are they listing?
When not soon. El bolere kiriya ye first thing never secure no boy bolo wa giya ma gbon mental discalabati. Fente. El bolere kiriya yo. I think zawa.
Jamio.
Unyu mi ya wa nyama. We mental bad kalati. Okay. Where? Oja.
Una hear what Asaboro talk? Una hear?
Wa go make a video now.
If you do, why even Asaboro kaya?
Agbegbe yese why worry.
Let's say still come back to
Listen, ya tie. Oneduri. Ni akode mi bia du. Iwe say iwe na memogugbe. Imi waka we finiti omwe la moru. Imi waka we e finiti omwe la moru yira mo gogo la moru. Okay. Okay,
what with the beauty? Mousy. Aguano. What with the beauty?
Iwe say iwe na memogugbe. Imi waka we finiti omwe la moru. Imi waka we e finiti omwe la moru yira mo gogo la moru. Okay. Okay.
Asaboro. Where, mena where? Ya deactivate account we. Emi na tama veno. Atiere we. UK Infinity Saga deactivate account we. Ona do la do ta we. A family we wonu la Facebook re for now. Yeah, we tana we David Tower. Évidemment, ma tawa. Oni we do ata we. E do prisi we. Ni adia. Me we mo matari. E matadu we mure. We do deactivate account we. We when I set to matter na e. Devanu we amu ye problem. Devanu we amu ye nana. Na titi na like we no. Atiti we love you work be. Okay. Because you cannot bring a matter to the Edo cyber space and deactivate your page. Who we have to say him our? You want to speak to our? Who when I analyze issue now? Even weta lawyer yaguya. Who we mana gwe lawyer gwa? The lawyer yaguye. If you do wagwa matter na. Oh clear. If you do make una talk for this issue, it clear. You bring issue come out. You deactivate your page. And you say multi talk. Benin people make una answer my question. When Asaboro do so, it clear. Now you want to accuse Don Prince. Don Prince say who that? He might he go investigate. He go investigate. But because the thing is not difficult for us. Every year go away, go away, or not go away, or not go away. Who might release anyone? You not release anyone. You not release anyone. Ah? When you made a banana this hour. Oh, come on. You know we very amosi. Oh, come on. You know we very amosi. Hey, you put here. Those are the appear. Oh, very buffy. I was in a enjoy it. You get the appear. Oh, you know, oh, you buffy. Asaboro, you budget. Aquale, and Monica walk with Zagopia. I can not walk with Monica here. We don't deactivate the page. Well, we make it swear. But we make it swear. Oh, Benamulajan, but why? I'm the revenue saga. Why? Now, if I general we are by those about space, we to be where we are back. We must hit the Mahin Lavu way. Why when I are going? Benin people, now they hear me at all. Hello, they are not hearing me. Yeah, I say that time you do even it. If you do, why even it? Wow.
Therefore, check this photo, therefore.
Wow.
General Wuka, General Esu. There are power enemy, Oklahoma Bow, no Mabaway. If we are here, come like a Canada,
Very cool.
Whenever they were, I say. Only 5 years you have been a winner.
Very cool.
3 years, my wife, you have been a little way.
Very cool. You are your word.
The prison not say way. Or to the buying was a cacao. Can when you be UK, you know. Eddie my academy yard.
If I general say, man, my man go there.
When I get a pay better benefit to no be a wet. When I put poly, you know what, level. Ever said it, you have to only sound. Open up in the way you like it. Eddie like it.
Asaboro the walk before the general.
Eddie,
I want to walk before the general. Right, Beba, Umatami.
We are laying fake account to have
Umatami Masaboro. But when I walk before the general. If anything will ever come the drag with the only lady. Uriele. What the man before the general?
The general for the general before Infinity Saga. Oh, Bele, now what was I? Infinity Saga.
Where's your bay? Where's your saga? You guys a bona. You guys a bona. You guys a don't piss Pania. You have to don't piss. You was a don't piss and he with don't piss. Only when he has all that. We know you boy with Pisho, Doctor Nigun, Saga no. We know you boy with Pisho. What's it been? What's it been? I am with Sugu. What yeah? I'm where I get back. I got Baloy. I got post the guy to because of our leg. Oh, yeah, it's it. Let me win. He will on there. Here, boy. Yati the day did not call the war. No way, Italy. Or wait, he made video over way next 3 years in about 60 years.
End of busy will enjoy. The man na muscle no one video. Me my na muscle. It the breeze is fresh. In your way. I know what my body need at the right time. If you do, my people, I know what my body need at the right time. Now they hear me so. Don't Prince. I know what my body needs at the right time. They hear the comments. How they see the comments? You see what thing? First lady call yes is